Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. It's finally here, you guys. Oh my gosh, you have no idea how excited I am. Yes, this is a Sakura box, but what is in here is the Northern Lights melody. Things are finally starting to settle down a little bit. This shipped from Pennsylvania. Oh my goodness. And the shipping updates were very few and far between, but so I was totally shocked and awed and surprised that this showed up today, but super happy about it. I wanted to use this new Northern Lights melody for my trip that's coming up in a few days. So, because yes, I do take my planner with me. And I'm just, I'm dying to get my hands on this. So, and I did get a couple other goodies. So yeah, so let's get in here. So this is the classic size melody. It will fit my classic size happy planner. This is they always come in a bag. So, oh, you guys, it's so pretty. And I'm a seasonal planner. So to me, this says winter. Because I know it's got pink florals, but to me it says winter. So let's get in here. I did get a couple of the new notebooks too, which I'm gonna have to see. I don't think I got the right ones, you guys, because I did not order two of the same. Looks like I got two Northern Lights, and I think I should have had a Sakura. So hang on, I'm gonna check real quick. Yep, so one of these is wrong. They do both, the UPCs both say Northern Lights, but one of them should have been Sakura. I ordered one of each. There were 3 different ones. And then this is the Wild and Free. So that's okay. I will email Michael with customer service and we'll get it straightened out. So here is the Northern Lights. I love these colors, you guys. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, I don't get the... there's a little protective piece of plastic over that metal hardware. So I don't get the rings insert because I like to put my classic happy planner in here, and so it goes in the pocket. But look at all these pockets, you guys, and look at this gorgeous artwork on the inside. Look at the birds, and then all these different colored pockets. There's 2 big pockets here. The strings you can use to attach other things. Back cover of a happy planner in there. Another pocket, you can put a pen on here, a pen loop, and then in the back, another big pocket. So this is attached, but it's attached to this side. So it doesn't block either of the pockets. My hand, as you can see, is going way down in there. And it also doesn't block this pocket. See how it's attached only on this side? So this is still a great big pocket. It comes all the way to this seam right here. So look at that. And then it's on elastic, so no matter how fat your planner is, it'll still close. There's actually so much room in here, you guys. I have my planner on expander discs, and I never ever have a problem. So let's look at a couple of these notebooks. I'm not going to open the extra, but these are pretty. They have a much heavier cover than I was expecting. I thought it's like a pleather. A vegan leather cover. So pretty. Lots of pages too. They're dot grid. I was thinking swatch books, you guys. So right now, this is what I use for my swatch book. This is just a super cheap traveler's notebook setup I got from Walmart a while back. Pen and Gear. And yep, that's what I was hoping for. I was hoping this was about the same size. And I do use the strings for this, so I was thinking I could totally use this. Let's see, there really isn't a center, but I could do this same setup with these nicer notebooks. Yep. Oh my gosh, it's perfect, you guys. Yep. So now the quandary I have is, do I redo my whole swatch book? because I actually, since I set this up initially, things have changed a lot. Like I got rid of some washi, some of the ones I never use. I separated out my Simply Gilded and my, it's like all these are swatched in with the Simply Gilded, because when I know I want Stardust washi, I want to look at all the Stardust washi. I don't want to have to flip through the different sections. So I have reorganized my washi quite a bit since I did this swatch book. And let's face it, you guys, it's not like I'm going to run out of washi if I use an extra 2 inches of each roll. So it's just a matter of taking all the time to do it. But that's why I ordered like all 3, because I thought if I did like a traveler's notebook type setup and used these as swatch books, how cool would that be to have? And then the pink Sakura in here as the 3rd one. This isn't fat enough. I actually ordered a setup from Planners Anonymous, since they have so much extra room, and I will get rid of this one totally and completely, or use it for something different. But when that gets here, I will definitely show you, and I will give you a fill-in, then an update on what's going on with my 3rd notebook. So yeah, okay, I'm going to pause this and get ready to set this up, because like I said, we leave on our trip in a week, and I was hoping to have this in time, because this just says winter and Valentine's Day to me, and I absolutely love it, and I want to take it with me. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, let me show you all the goodies that I'm going to pack in here. So first thing I'm going to do is take an old Happy Planner cover that I would probably never use, but I picked this one because it was light and the dots kind of mimicked the feel of the inside of this. And I'm going to stick it in here in the back all the way in. And they've adjusted this a little bit, because the last couple I got, that was a really super tight fit. And so I put that in the back and I just left it. But it was a nice light enough fit that I wouldn't need to do that. So here is my Transformer planner. I just posted this within the last week, my setup video for this. These are my pink Thalia discs. As you can see, this is a cover I made with the Northern Lights kit when I got it a long time ago. Here is my dashboard section for social media, and then Transformer. So this is my wellness section, and then I also in the very back have Modern Meow, my catch-all section. So it transforms, but for traveling, to get where I'm going safely, I just like to put that extra cover in the back, and all I'm doing is snapping that on my discs at the very back. So I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm just popping that on the discs while the cover is still in the Melody. There we go. So there, it's on the discs. Now my cover is attached like so. It is popped in the Melody, and I still have this extra pocket back here. So, but that's how I would attach my Transformer planner. As you can see, I still have tons and tons and tons of room. I went through, I have all my Simply Gilded. Oh my goodness. I have all of my Planners Anonymous pens. So I went back and looked, and I found the Northern Lights pen. This is the gorgeous Northern Lights pen with silver hardware and the different pastel gems and the blue barrel there. It's just a black pen, but I can put it in here there in the pen loop. Okay. So I also have a couple other goodies. I have these little cards. You can put washi tape on these. I'm missing one. There were 2. Where'd the other one go? This is Turn Your Dreams into Plans and Your Cans into Cans. And it is also from Planners Anonymous. And it can just sit in one of these pockets as some decoration. Here's the other one. This one is Dare to Dream. And it's got a diagonal cut. That's because it's actually meant to go in one of these pockets. So I just like the shimmer and the sparkle that comes with putting those in the pockets. I have a couple little sets of Post-it notes that I can take with me that kind of match the color story. So I can put those up higher here so they don't get snagged. But it's always good, in my opinion, to have Post-it notes with you. There we go. So I got some kitty cat Post-it notes. I also grabbed this weird paperclip looking thing. This is actually another pen loop. So you put it on like a paper clip, and then you can clip a pen. So on my vacation, I'm going to try to do some more, get back to my hand lettered quotes. So I definitely want to take at least a brush pen with me, if not multiple brush pens, but that's the way that works. So now I can take more than one pen with me. I have just got this Simply Gilded album, and I love to take these, so you can put all the stickers you want in here. If I want to take some kitty stickers or some canceled stickers, but every sheet has a pocket on either side, so I can fill that up. And then I like to turn to the center part here, and this is why I love the strings still being on there. I can put this in here, fill it full of stickers, snap it shut, and there's tons and tons and tons of room for that. So that's in there, no problem. Still have lots of room. I can take my swatch book if I want, or say I use this for something else. Maybe I do some lettering or something and I want to have it with me for reference. Or maybe I just want to have my journal with me. So this can fit in there on a string. Still, guys, still got room. That's right. I wouldn't normally keep it packed this full, but I'm just saying, like, if you need to go somewhere and you want to take it with you and you want it all like wrapped up in one little bundle so that nothing gets damaged. If I can get that to, I mean, it's not because it was too full. It's because I just didn't have it lined up right. It's a magnetic closure, but I mean, tons and tons of room, you guys. These are, I love these. They're so huge. You can put anything in there. So I'm going to pull these out for now though, because they're it's a little difficult to use your planner with all that stuff stacked up in the front, but those come in so handy, you guys. And then last but not least, the other nice thing about the strings is they stick out here and they're the perfect place to affix a charm. So I've got a couple different charms. I have this one, which I got at a planner meetup back before COVID. It's a kitty cat unicorn, a catacorn. So I'm going to put that on one of them. You just can attach this little lobster claw clasp to one of the strings, like so. There we go. So I got my catacorn there. It's a little bit magical to go with this. And then the other one I want to attach is this one, which is also from Planners Anonymous. This came from, this is the Masquerade charm, I think. And I feel like there's enough purple in here for this to attach and look fine on there. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to take this lobster claw, if you can see it, and hook through that string. There we go. And it hides the cat a little bit, or he can sit on top, but there we go. There I've got my planner charms on there too. So that is my setup, you guys. I can, like I said, I will use this like now, like this, no problem. I can use my planner however I want. And then these can go in and out as needed when I get to my destination. Once I get to my destination, all of this stuff can actually stay in here, and I can pop my planner off of that back cover. All of this stuff can just live in here in a corner at my destination, out of the way. And now my transformer planner is still a transformer planner. I can still flip easily from section to section, and whatever section I happen to be on, when it's time to leave, I just pop it back on this cover that lives in here, and I'm good to head home. So there we go. That is my setup for my new Northern Lights Classic Melody. I love this thing, you guys. So I have a link in my description box. It's a great time to join Planners Anonymous now that the shipping is starting to get back under control. Their new warehouse move has happened. And you guys, the February kit, oh my gosh, it is my white whale. It is their very first book lovers kit. It's the one with all the burgundy and the the succulents, the burgundy and the green. I love that kit, you guys, and they're bringing it back in February. So check out that link in my description box. If you do subscribe, you get a, I believe it's a 10% savings off of your first a month's kit. You can do the full kit, or you can do the sticker only subscription. And then I get a few loyalty points for that. So I hope you like this video. Check out some of my other unboxings. Look for the pink swishies. They're my unboxings. If you want to see what all comes in the full kit versus just the sticker kit, I explain it pretty carefully there. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.